If no concrete slab or other flat surface is available, use the timber base frame as shown. If installing on an uneven or unlevel surface, please use the optional feet. Insert the feet through the holes in the bottom corners of the box to raise the box and adjust the nuts below and above the corner brackets to suit. Locate the slots at the bottom of the side and left-hand wall strip. Place these two panels onto the corner bracket. Secure the wall strip to the wall and insert the plastic cap to join the two panels together. Find the correct position for the right-hand side wall strip by placing the horizontal bridge on top of the left and right wall strips and secure the horizontal bridge with a TEG screw. Place the wall strip onto the corner bracket and secure to the wall. Position the other side panel on the two corner brackets and connect to the wall strip using a plastic cap. Slide the front panel onto the two corner brackets. Insert the two remaining plastic caps. Tap in the plastic pins into the top of the front panel. Insert the corner gussets into the side and front panels by inserting into the slots in the side panel first and then into the front panel. Then push down. Insert the handles into the door until a click is heard. Push the lip of the door over the front panel step, align the studs on the door, insert and push down. Place the lid on top of the box and ensure the box is square. Align the hinge pins with the holes and tap into place with a mallet. Attach the gas struts to the side panel by attaching the ball bearing screw first. Now push the struts onto the ball bearing. Insert the bolt and washer into the faceplate of the strut and through the pre-drilled holes in the top lid, and secure with the dome nuts and washers provided. Attach the latch to the door using the supplied screw, washer and nut as shown. Rotate the latch clockwise to lock the lid and door in place. Push the base pins into the holes at the bottom edge of the panels and through the corner brackets. Anchor box to the timber base frame as shown, or to a concrete slab or other flat surface. Do this for all four corners.